So let's create a React app. If you have Node.js installed, press WinKey+X A to open a command line, an admin command prompt. Then you can check with Node-v, and we can see we have Node 10.53 installed. I don't know, it's the latest version, but I guess it will do. Now we have to change to the folder where we want our React app installed. And now you can see here on C there are the usual folders. And with create React app, it's just npx create React app and then the name of our app. We call it our app. Enter, and create React app will build our React app by itself. This can take a while, but it's pretty easy and pretty convenient. And it also will open a localhost server on port 3000, I guess. But we will see all that in a little while. I don't know which editor you're using. I recommend Visual Studio Code, but really you can use any editor you want. It's up to you. Oh, that was fast, and it says here that you should type these two commands in. cd our app shifts our focus to the directory where we just created our app. You can see here these files are inside. It created a whole general app, and if we type npm start, this will start the set localhost and show us our React app. You can open the console, and here it says download the React DevTools, so I haven't done it yet. And all you have to do is now is open an editor, edit the files how you want. In the next video we will edit this file app.js, which is basically the anchor point, which is basically the index in index.js we will call app.js, but we will come to that later. And so yeah, this for now is how to create a React app with create React app. Pretty easy, right? Thanks for watching, and till next time.